made this work. I made this worse. We fell apart 1,000 times, 1,000 times.
Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a relaxing clean with me for you guys, and that just means it's still the same cleaning video from me, but this time I have a little bit slower music, just more relaxing I guess. But let me know how you feel about this. I usually have fast-paced music with my clean with me's, but I figured I would switch it up and put some more slow-paced music. So if you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, make sure you hit that thumbs up button, and I hope you get lots of motivation from this video. So I am showing you guys what I am working with. I didn't really show me cleaning our kitchen table because you'll see in the background in a little bit there was Scentsy stuff. I was working on packaging up an order, so it was all over the table. So this is just like strictly the kitchen. It's not really our dining area, but I'm just throwing everything away so I can get all the dishes in the sink. There's nothing worse than finishing the dishes and then turning around and seeing a counter full of more dishes.
You disappeared. I'm so sorry that I hurt you so deep. Swear I spent the last few years just trying to change.
So after I go ahead and take out the trash, I like to spray the trash can down with some kind of fragrance, like some kind of Febreze or some kind of room spray, just to keep the trash can fresh in between me washing the trash can fully out. So I do like to spray some kind of good scented spray into the trash can just to help with the odor. So now I'm going to go ahead and tackle the dishes. This was from a full day. My kids are not in school right now, so we are piling on some dishes pretty bad. We are limiting how much they eat just because they go crazy when they're at home. We set an alarm for when they would eat at school, so they're kind of on the same track, but the dishes still pile up. But while I'm doing the dishes, I'm going to go ahead and take this chance to introduce myself in case you are new to the channel. So my name is Megan, and I post cleaning videos. I like DIYs. I love to decorate my home, so I film that any chance I get. I also post vlogs whenever we do vlogs. When we actually started out our channel, we did daily vlogs every day, but that changed when I got pregnant because I was so sick, so I couldn't film every single day. But then I ended up doing cleaning videos, and a lot of my viewers like those, so I try to post a little bit of everything. But I would love if you subscribed so you can stick around for future videos. Like I said, I post cleaning, DIY, some recipes. Sometimes we do fun challenges. It's very rare, but we do have some of those on our channel. And then, like I said, some vlogs.
Tight, knowing that you can't get burned. Just tell me how we lost track of everything but each other. I honestly don't know. And tell me how we messed up, drifting away from each other. Didn't want to let you go. Cause we wanted different things, and I have to deal with it, but it's not easy. So tell me how to let go, cause you really seem to know how to carry on your own. Ever since I got a good look in his eyes, I just knew that he was special. He said he wanted to take it slow, but I couldn't help that I wanted to take it to the next level. Cause I wanted that great love, like standing in the middle of a pond.
So I get comments sometimes in the comment section asking if we have a dishwasher, and no, sadly we do not. We did in our last home, and we're totally spoiled by it, but we moved here, and this is an older home. It doesn't look old because they remodeled it right before we moved in, and I love it so much, but there is no dishwasher, and with a family of 6, that is really tough. So unless I stay on the dishes throughout the day, which doesn't really happen very often, it just takes me so long. So I usually watch YouTube videos or listen to some music just to get by really quick. But yeah, let me know if you guys have a dishwasher. If you don't, let me know how you feel about that. I know some people do have a dishwasher and they don't use it, and I'm like, girl, you are crazy. Utilize that.
Met him on a sunny day in late July, and everything turned upside down. I almost lost track of time as weeks went by. I couldn't get him off my mind. I couldn't get him off my mind. Lost track of everything but each other. I honestly don't know. Don't tell me how we messed up, drifting away from each other. Didn't wanna let you go.
So I don't always dry the dishes, but I had more dishes to do after this, and plus I was filming almost 95% of the time I will hand dry my dishes when I'm filming a cleaning video, just because it looks so much better when there's literally no dishes out. So I am hand drying them just so I can get them in the cabinet, and I like to do this at night too, so when I wake up in the morning I don't have dishes to put away.
I was never the one to write up a song for just anyone. I was always the one to find myself lost in old conversations. Cause I've always been told that things will unfold if you keep on waiting. But then you came along and proved me all wrong. I was so mistaken. Cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free, oh my sweet baby. I was never the one to give up the ghost. No, I was so stuck. I kept on playing my part, wanting to give up cause nothing was changing. But with you it's so clear, and now that you're here I see colors in every spectrum. Guess I finally learned my lesson. Cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free, oh my sweet baby. Myself, and I'm thinking out loud, we won't need nothing else.
So I'm going and getting really close to my sink so you guys can see all the little stuff that's on there, the dust and the spill, just like from food and drinks from my kids throwing their dishes in there throughout the day. And just showing you guys what it looks like and why I love to clean my sink. This is probably one of my favorite things to do, is to scrub down the sink. And I also get a slow-mo clip of me rinsing it out, because that's like my favorite part of cleaning the sink, is when you rinse it and you can just watch the soap just go down the drain and so sparkly clean.
Cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free, oh my sweet baby.
Never knew that it could feel this way when you lie next to someone. You don't even need to play pretend, 'cause you find the way you are. I wanna know you better, give me every detail. I won't judge you, as you know. I could stay forever when you're lying in my arms. My heart is open, it just took some time. Now I just hope that you stay for a little while. You fix what's broken when you make that smile. So just stay for a little while. So just stay for a little while.
So I really needed to clean my stove tonight because I had fried chicken strips and I also fried onion rings. So there was grease splattered all over my glass top stove. So I just used some all-purpose cleaner. I didn't use my Wyman's, however you pronounce it, cleaner, just because I just wanted to wipe it down really quick. In that Wyman's, there's like several steps to it. You gotta scrub it for a while and then you gotta wipe it a few times to get all the residue off of your stove. But I just used a all-purpose cleaner and it cleaned it just fine.
When I'm lying in your arms, oh, my heart is open, it just took some time. Now I just hope that you stay for a little while. You'll fix what's broken when you make that smile.
So I don't always wipe my cabinets down, but I wanted to today just because when I was doing something and I seen up close that there was some food kind of splattered on my counter, and then I have a 1-year-old and he's just eating throughout the day and touching stuff, so I figured it would be a good time just to wipe him down with some just water, and it pretty much took everything off. Nothing was really sticky. There was one spot, I think it's icing from when I made cinnamon rolls, and you can see it like in the middle under my sink, and it took me a while to get that off because I hadn't seen it for a while. I can't even remember the last time I made cinnamon rolls, so you'll see me scrubbing it, but I did want to wipe them down just to get them nice and fresh and not have any food splattered on it.
So just stay for a little while. My heart is open, it just took some time. Now I just hope that you stay for a little while. You'll fix what's broken when you make that smile. Stay for a little while. Stay for a little while.
And lastly, I'm going to give it a good sweep. Like I said in the beginning of this video, I didn't show me cleaning my table because there was just so much stuff on it, and I just wiped it down really quick. It didn't even take any time at all, but here are the after shots. I hope you guys got some motivation. Let me know if you liked this type of cleaning video with the slower paced music, or if you need that upbeat music to get you motivated. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're not subscribed, I would love if you subscribed and stuck around for future videos. Give this video a thumbs up and let's chat in the comment section down below. So, hope you guys have a good day or night, whatever time it is. Hope you're staying healthy and safe, and I will talk to you guys in the next one.
Shed a little light on me. Why'd you go and leave me here all alone in the shadows? Could you just shed a little light, shed a little light, shed a little light on me? I don't like to be a bother, but I'm getting kinda sick of trying to figure